Hey everyone, here I have a very nice one owner 2016 Acura MDX. This vehicle only has 38,000 miles on it, has a great set of tires. You will notice there is no blemishes on the exterior of the vehicle. This is the super handling all-wheel drive model as well. You do of course get your backup camera as well as a power tailgate. You will notice the third row is folded down right now. There's plenty of space. If you were to fold the third row up, there is actually still going to be from here to here of cargo room. Plenty of space for you. Now the second row has plenty of space. These seats do move back and forth. If you want to get into that third row, all you need to do is fold it up. There is plenty of space. It's almost as big as a Pilot. You do also get your rear climate control back here. Up front, you will notice you do have your keyless entry with push button start, as well as your memory seatings, power door locks, windows and mirrors, and your leather seats, of course. They're in great shape. On the inside, you'll notice this vehicle has 38,000 miles. You have tons of controls on the steering wheel. You also get Acura sensing. Basically, you have lane assist, you have road departure mitigation, forward collision warning, all types of stuff. You even get blind spot monitor. Now over here, you will notice you do have a very nice ELS audio system. You do have navigation in here, as well as your FM, AM, XM, CD, USB, auxiliary, all that stuff. You also get your heated seats, tri-zone climate control. You have all your controls down here as well, power outlet. You do have a push button shifter, as well as your drive mode select. And you also have your backup camera. Come check out this MDX at Shockley Honda. This vehicle is going to last you a long time. 301-694-5400.